Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. I don't typically do unboxing videos, but I figured today this is a new chronograph for the channel, so I figured let's show it. What you get in the box. So clearly you get your chronograph. It's all wrapped up. Let's see how it's packaged here. This paper's stuck on there pretty good. So there we have it. That's what it looks like from all sides, all your buttons. We'll put that down. You get the little tripod that screws onto the bottom of the unit. Like so. So I can stand. I'm guessing this is a charging cable. And we get our owner's manual. And what is this? Product information. So here's our quick start guide. And that's everything that's in the box. Let's see what happens when we start it up. So hit the power button. English, we'll select OK. We'll do feet per second, and we'll have to pair it with our device. Now my device is paired, so on top we have the up and down button. So we'll scroll to down, and we'll go to settings, and we'll hit OK. Units feet per second, color display black, backlit 50%, timeout 30 seconds, data fields, Pro settings. Let's see what Pro settings are all about. Projectile weight on. Show alignment diagram on. Okay. I don't know how you go back. Probably that button. Yep, there we go. Language English, connectivity, reset, and about. That's about all our settings on it. That's it. And then long hold the back button to power off. That's all there is to it. So stay tuned for more videos, and I'll be chronographing all my data now. Every rifle I shoot will be ran across this, so we'll get the BCs of all the bullets at the whatever range we're shooting at. We'll get velocities, and we'll get all the extreme spread, standard deviation, all that info that you guys liked from my CZ videos. Now everything will be ran through the Garmin. Well, hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you next time.